What must you do after installing a Windows operating system? This is number one best practice. This is what companies do to protect their data, to increase the security of their data and their uh, computers, and increase the speed of their computers. So what is it? It is firewall. In this video, I show you the best practice in firewall. So go to the search and then search here Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, and then run this as administrator, or if you logged in as administrator, just click on it. Now we are in Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Here you have at the left side or menu inbound rules and outbound rules. So the best practice is to, when you install Windows, the first thing you have to do is to select all of them and disable all of them. Control A, and then at the right menu you have disable role. You disable all of them, and then in the future, when it is necessary, you will get a pop-up window for asking you to enable a certain port. For example, to enable a port for a software that you want to use, or for a service that you want to use. And don't worry about disabling all of them. Nothing bad will happen. You close all the ports and then you only enable or open a port that you need for the software that you use, for the service that you use, and not all other ports and services that you do not need and you do not want, and it is not necessary. And do the same thing for outbound roles. Select all of them, Control A, and then disable roles. As you see, they are all now disabled, and you can restart your machine and then start installing new softwares and tools that you need. This is number one thing you should do after installing Windows operating system. And this is what companies, businesses do as first thing when they install operating system. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you in the next video.